Powered by NationalLink.
On the Welcome or Out of Service screen, press, Enter, Clear, Cancel, 1, 2, 3 to log into the ATM with your master password. Select System Setup. Select Terminal IP. Make sure DHCP is disabled. Select IP address. Input 192168191. Select subnet mask. Input 2552552550. Press OK. Select Gateway. Input 192168190. Press OK. Select DNS. Input 8888. Press OK. Select DNS second. Input 8844. Press OK. Select Apply and/or Cancel out to the welcome screen.